Hope you all are fine and in good health. Let me introduce myself to you people. I am Kanika Mishra from English Department of Khalsa College International Public School, Amritsar. It feels a privilege to work with this charitable trust. We are here for all those students who miss their classes due to certain issues. But we don't want our dear students that their syllabi should be missed. So it's especially for those students. Today children, my topic is adjective. Adjectives are usually we get to know it from since class 3rd, and grammar is a part that is throughout you get to know in your life. Alright. Suppose if you say any sentence in a wrong manner, you can well imagine that it won't be understandable. So, firstly, we'll start with what are adjectives. An adjective is a word that adds a meaning to a noun or a pronoun. I repeat, an adjective is a word that is used to add something that adds a meaning to a noun or a pronoun. For example, if I say she is poor but happy. So in this sentence, she is a pronoun, but poor and happy, these are adjectives. Why these are adjectives? Because they are telling us some quality of that girl. Another is grandfather carries a heavy box. So in this sentence, you know, grandfather is a noun, box as well is a noun. So what is being special told about box and grandfather? It is heavy. So box is basically heavy, that is carried by the grandfather. Children, we have 6 types of adjectives. The first one is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality tells us about the kind of a person or a thing is. See, adjective of quality. What does quality means? Quality से आपको क्या पता चलता है? It tells us that there is some kind, some speciality, right? So I repeat that adjective of quality means which tell us something special or something different about a noun or a pronoun. For example, an elephant is the heaviest animal on earth. So here, elephant is a noun. And what is the quality of elephant being described in this sentence? It is heaviest. So here, heaviest would be the adjective. My grandmother has poor eyesight. So what is the eyesight over here? Sorry, the poor over here. Poor is an adjective because grandmother की हमें क्या बताई जा रही है? कुछ speciality. Third example is Kapil Dev is a great cricketer. So Kapil Dev, as we know, is a proper noun. Now what is the speciality of Kapil Dev over here? It is great. So great is the adjective. Second type is of adjective of quantity. What does adjective of quantity means? Adjective of quantity here means which tell us about how much a thing is intended. For example, I have sufficient milk to drink. So milk is a noun and the adjective over here is sufficient because we don't know what actually the amount is. So that's why sufficient is its adjective. Another example is she spent all her wealth. So what is she? She is a pronoun. And what is being special told about she? That is all. She spent all her wealth. So all is the adjective of quantity. You don't have the exact idea how much wealth she has spent. Another is Mohit needs some sweets to distribute. Now, how many sweets? We don't have the exact idea. So, here the adjective would be some. I hope it's clear to you. Third adjective we are having is adjective of number. Now, you will say, ma'am, what is the difference between quantity and number? Here, this is the difference, children. Please understand. Now, adjective of number shows us how many things or person or how many persons are there to stand. For example, the child has 5 balloons. So, the child is a common noun and balloons is also a common noun. But you know what's the exact quantity the child is having in his hands. It is 5. So, 5 would be considered as the adjective of number. Is that okay? So, this is the difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. In adjective of quantity, you are not able to know that what is exact the amount is. And in adjective of number, it's short. You know clearly that what is exact amount or things or person. Another example for it is, Ria got 96% in her exams. So, you know that she has got 96%. So, 96% is, what is it? It's adjective of number. If I have told you that Ria got excellent marks, so what was that? In that case, excellent would be its quality. And if I told you Ria got second position in her term exams, so what is second? Again, second would be the adjective of number. Is that clear? On fourth is demonstrative adjectives. Now, what are demonstrative adjectives? Those adjectives or those words that particularly pinpoint something or pinpoint a person. That is, the adjectives that pinpoint a noun or a pronoun are known as demonstrative adjectives. For example, these are my shoes. So, see, I am pointing these shoes that these are mine. So, these would be the demonstrative adjective. Another is, that house is of my brother. So, again I am pinpointing a house. So, that means that is a demonstrative adjective. These mangoes are sour. I am specifically pointing out that these mangoes are sour. So, here these would be the demonstrative adjective. Next is, on fifth number, we have interrogative adjectives. So, as you all know, interrogative, interrogation, what is that? That's a question mark, right? So, the words like which, when, where, how, who, almost all the W words, the words that are asking you a question are known as interrogative adjectives. First example for interrogative adjective is, which is your pen out of them? So, what is this? I am asking a question. Which is your pen? So, which is an interrogative adjective. Where are you going? So, here where is the interrogative adjective. Is that okay? What is your name? So, here what is your adjective? And lastly, we have possessive adjectives. Now, possessive, what do you get to know about possessive? It tells us about the ownership or the possession on a noun or a pronoun. It would be more clear when I'll give you the example. My car needs a repair. So over here, what is the ownership of the car? It is my car, right? So my would be the possessive adjective. How is your health? See children, now you can ask me, okay ma'am, how is your health? It is a question also. So children, there is a difference between it. How you can say, ma'am, ये तो interrogative adjective होगा. Yes, it is true. But your health, here your, again it's an ownership. So your would be the possessive adjective. I hope it's clear. Grammar beta, it goes throughout life. We are actually helpless if we don't have the clear information of grammar. And adjectives are the major part of it. We are into the adjectives in our daily routine. Thank you so very much. Take care.